Welcome students. Today we will start the new chapter that we have discussed yesterday, Our Tree, written by David Harmer, a very beautiful poem. Harmer, he was an American poet and keenly interested in the observation of nature. Okay, he was keenly interested in observe करते थे. Harmer nature के observer थे, isn't it? And he had shown in this poem his grief, his feelings, the pain the trees are feeling, isn't it? हम लोग क्या pain trees को देते हैं, that the Harmer was feeling and he has shown in this poem the same feelings. नाउ हम लोग आज इस पोएम के नोट्स को देखेंगे. ओके, द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एवरीथिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Now first is the complete the summary of the poem by filling in the blanks in the appropriate words. आपके बुक में ये blanks दिया हुआ है, you have to fill it. The blanks are, blanks को मैंने red से किया हुआ है. First blank में bushes है, second में scratching, third blank में wooden, fourth में elm, shadow and then chopped. All the blanks you have to fill it. बुक में करिए और wherever you want you have to fill this one. Okay. Next question अब आप लोगों का है answer the following questions. Okay. So the first question is what do the arms in line 3 refers to? तो पोएम के थर्ड लाइन में आर्म्स जो दिया हुआ है उसका मतलब क्या है ये बताना है. The arms in line 3 refers to the branches. मैंने बताया था आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करते समय कि आर्म्स का मतलब होता है ट्रीज का जो ब्रांचेस होता है उसे आर्म्स बताया जा रहा है. पोएट ने कहा है. What do wooden fingers in line 4 refers to? So wooden fingers means small branches. Okay. Now the next question is bring out the contrast between the beginning and the ending of the poem. पोएम के beginning line और end line के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है वो हम लोग को बताना है. मैंने पोएम एक्सप्लेन करते समय आप लोगों को बताया था that first line में the poet has written it took long time for a tree to grow. पेड़ को ग्रो करने में कितना लॉन्ग टाइम लगता है बट विद इन अ सेकेंड कोई भी उसे काट देता है, isn't it? So इसी यही डिफरेंस है आपके पोएम में. The poet says in the beginning it took many years to grow, but it took only 10 minutes for man to cut it down. Now the next question, the poet has used some imaginative metaphors and beautiful similes in the poem. इस मेटाफर और सिमिली को हम लोग टेबल में देखते हैं. सो एक्सट्रैक्ट्स दिया हुआ आपको. सो मेनी इयर्स ऑफ पुशिंग द स्काई, इट इज अ मेटाफर. ये मेटाफर है आपका, मींस इम्प्लाइड सिमिली. मेटाफर क्या होता है, सिमिली क्या होता है, मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी पोएम्स में समझाया है. सो मेटाफर होता है इम्प्लाइड, सिमिली को डायरेक्ट यूज किया गया है. सो मेनी इयर्स ऑफ पुशिंग द स्काई. सेकेंड, लॉन्ग ब्रांचेस क्रेस्ट द आर्म्स, मीन्स यहाँ पर ब्रांचेस, पेड़ के जो पेड़ का जो ब्रांचेस होता है उसे ह्यूमन बीइंग के आर्म्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हुए डायरेक्ट इम्प्लाइड सिमिली यूज किया है. सो इट इज अ मेटाफर. रीच आउट विद देयर वुडन फिंगर्स, इट इज आल्सो मेटाफर. ईयर्स ड्रिफ्ट आई फॉल लाइक लीव्स. लाइक और एज जहां लगता है वो सिमिली होता है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट डज द पोएट वांट टू कन्वे बाय सेइंग it took 10 minutes discuss with your partner. It took 10 minutes. With this line, the poet wants to convey that, wants to bring the contrast between the beginning and the ending of the life of a tree. It took years and years for a tree to grow, but it took only 10 minutes for man to cut it off. Through this line, poet also want to show his grief on such end of a tree. So this is the answer. Now next question is the poet has mentioned many phrases and words in the poem telling that it takes long for a tree to grow. Discuss. Different phrases that the poet has used to show that it takes long for a tree to grow are so many years of pushing the sky. Years drift by, from green to yellow and back to green. So these are the phrases which are used in the poem to show that how long a tree takes to grow. Now, life skill question. Imagine that you adopted a plant in your school or near your house. Write 5 things you would do to help it grow into a strong big tree. Now, what are the things we should do? 5 things that I would do to help it grow into a strong big tree are: I will water it daily, I will put manure in it, I will look after it properly, I will create boundary around it to protect it from animals, I will request school gardener take proper care of it. Now, the next is you have observed that vast stretches of green land that were the lungs of your town have been converted into concrete jungles. Discuss with your partner the possible consequences of this cruel activity. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बताना है कि आपका एक हरा भरा गार्डन, ओके, और द एनवायरमेंट वो कंक्रीट पूरी तरह से जंगल में कन्वर्ट अगर हो जाता है, उसका रीजन क्या है? ओके, सो देयर आर सम फॉलोइंग कंसिक्वेंसेस जिसके कारण आपका ग्रीन लैंड कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा कंक्रीट जंगल में। क्लाइमेट चेंज होने के कारण, ओके, अगर बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी पड़ गई, एक्सेस गर्मी, बारिश नहीं हो रही है, उससे भी आपका ग्रीनरी खत्म हो जाता है। थ्रेटन द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ वेरियस स्पीसीज, ओके, वो स्पीसीज उसमें रहते हैं जो गार्डन में और जंगल में, उसे हम लोग अगर मार के भगा देते हैं एंड ऑल। इंक्रीज इन ग्रीन हाउस गैस में बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाने पर और फ्लड आने पर। सो दीज आर द consequences. Writing skill. On the occasion of one Mahotsav, prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly on the topic Save Trees, Save Life. Children, you must do this one of your own. आपको खुद से करना चाहिए इस स्पीच को। I have given you for help. मैंने एक स्पीच लिखा है आपके हेल्प के लिए। If you want, you can take the help. A very pleasing morning to respected principals and teachers and my dear friends present here today. I am, आप अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं, of DAV Public School class section लिख लीजिए, and I am truly honored for having the opportunity to deliver a speech on a vital topic as Save Trees, Save Life. I believe in this mantra and try my best to aware the people about importance of trees. Most of us are hopefully aware of the critical condition of the environment, and this is why the necessity of being concerned about saying the earth has arisen. Climate change is one of the biggest and the most critical concern of the planet at present, and the only solution to this is the active participation of people in saving and planting trees, along with keeping pollution level in check. We should not only prevent deforestation but also promote afforestation. We should set our goal to plant trees on the piece of empty land. They should be planted in as many numbers as possible. Lastly, I would like to say, save the trees, save the environment to save our future. Thank you. So this is the speech. Now, you have to write in your copy. If you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, children, till then, goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day.